Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Landmark and Landmark in South Africa. Okay, today video I'm gonna show you guys how to make Potjie. Yeah, but not me, I'm gonna make it. Mark's mom, she's going to make the Potjie for us today. Yoo-hoo! So let's go, come along with us. What is Potjie?
Right?
So the first step is,
The oil.
alright.
So you use the oil up to make potjie.
Yeah, so what is Potjie, Danny?
Potjie in Afrikaans people, they don't want to braai. They want vegetables. So then they take meat, they put inside. Normally you use the black pot. You know the round black pot?
Yeah.
You use that one. You normally put it outside on the fire.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, we're doing this today.
Okay.
But you can do it. This is same as the black pot. This is just a flat one. Look. Cast iron.
This is look quite big, but actually
Yeah.
it's not big at all, guys.
No, it's not so big, yeah.
But it's super heavy.
And more onion better. I don't know. They love a lot of onion in the potjie. I think it's potjie is for the people that like to sit outside. The men, and then they do the meat, and then the women bring the veggies. Yeah.
Like if they want to eat with the braai.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, you can make like when it's sometimes it's cold, you know, you can't really braai. So it's the people they make a potjie with the meat and the vegetables and everything. Yeah. People before us, our forefathers, I think it comes from them. You know when they used to go on the what do you call that thing? They travelled. Yeah. They put everything in one pot. I don't think they had a lot of pots, so they put everything in one pot. I think that's
Or like ancestor, like that.
Yes, your ancestors, like our ancestors with those funny wheels, not cars, the horses.
Oh, yeah.
The-
The horse and then at the back have
Yes,
like
yes.
or in Thai you call it guian, guys. I don't know in English.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, normally what they do, I think they didn't have a lot of pots. And then I think they started to put everything in one pot and everything for everyone
Okay.
to eat and like that. Okay,
All right.
let's see. Nice, I didn't need all this.
So one thing, guys, I don't know, but
Yeah.
the South African, they love onion.
That's one thing, eh?
Yeah, that is one thing. Every menu.
Yeah, everything is onions.
Yeah, onion and
Garlic.
onion garlic.
Yeah, a lot of onion and garlic. They love that.
Okay. There's some salt and
And let's see, lemon and herbs.
oh my god. I wanted to tell you guys that in this country also again they have million of I don't know spices and seasoning. I don't know what you call it. Million for
spices.
yeah. What is that for all of that, Danny?
I think we don't have what you have.
Oh,
Our parents taught us about just the spice. The
Yeah.
dry spice. I don't think we had a lot of natural spice. What do you call it?
the what? The herbs?
Not the dry. Yes, the natural herbs and everything. Yeah.
The fresh one.
Yes.
Oh.
I don't think we have that.
Oh, look at that. This is look nice.
I just want to close it a little bit and put water.
Okay. Looks so nice. So mostly like it's like a vegetable soup.
Yeah, but it's not like you make it watery.
Yeah.
No, we don't do that. We don't make it like watery. We'll put a packet of soup with this.
Alright.
But normally you cook white onion or brown onion soup.
Okay. All the veggie that we are going to
Yes.
put. I wonder what is this?
Oh, you don't know that?
No.
What is radais?
Okay, it's radais, guys.
Do you know what radais
No,
is?
oh, this is cute. I ate it before. It's like, I don't know.
Yeah. It's like a pumpkin.
You know, it's also like
What else?
one of Thai dessert.
It's
And
small
it's
pumpkins.
mushroom?
That's what I'll say. It's small
Oh, small pumpkin. And this is pumpkin.
Yeah.
But your guys' pumpkin is very small, no?
Yeah.
That's weird. Did you heard that, guys? She's laughing. And this is bean, guys. What do you call this? Is bean only
yes.
or long bean?
Long beans.
Oh my god, this is supposed to be short bean. Not long. This is not long enough.
Oh, do you have longer?
Yo, Tenny, you know how long it is in Thailand? You know how long it
Are you
is?
serious?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, this is long beans in South Africa.
We
Okay.
don't have short beans.
Huh?
We don't have long beans. We only have them.
Okay, so this is all the veggie that we are going
Yeah.
to put. We never cut it yet. No.
No, not yet. Yeah.
Okay, later.
A lot of people use oxtail to make potjie. Or you can take, you get potjie meat. You buy it and pick and play. It's already packed and everything for your potjie meat.
Yeah.
But I haven't went to the shop yet, so I'm just taking what I have, pork and beef.
Also, you mix.
Yes, you can mix.
No, anything.
Yes. But people love the oxtail to do that. Okay, look at the fridge.
What do you call it again, Tani? In Thai.
Fork. Fuck.
Yeah. It's not a bad word. It's the name of the vegetable, guys. Yeah.
So you take the lid off. See the oil?
Yeah.
The oil is coming out a little bit. So you fry it a little bit. And then you can put in the stuff.
The veggie.
Yes, the veggies.
Okay, guys, wait for that. There
This
is a million
calabash.
of veggie in this pot. Okay, you must wait for that. This is not finished yet. Ooh la la. And also now we are
Putting the other vegetables. Little pumpkins, peas. We don't have to put all of it in. And then the radish. When you make oxtail, you could put oxtail gravy in, or you can the brown onion soup, and then you just mix it with water.
so you put the whole package.
The whole packet in.
Okay.
Some people, if you make more, you can maybe put 2 packets in. Just pour it over. Just do this. So it goes everywhere. And then you close it.
And then we close it again.
Yeah.
Choo.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Look like everything cooked.
Looks nice. Smells nice.
Yeah, smells so healthy. Look at that, guys. Look at the smoke. Oh.
You don't have to mix it, otherwise you're making it soggy. So you just lift it up. Well, that's what I do. And that's finished. And if you want to, you can taste.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so I'm gonna taste this now. This is the one that Tenny make because I tasted the other one, the one that is the Marcus make.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's see how is the difference.
Be careful, it's hot, eh? I'd put it off.
Potjie.
Wait. It's okay. Shoo,
Wow.
shoo.
Ah. The meat is so soft. Really soft, yeah.
And can you taste too little salt, too much salt?
I think maybe a little bit salt.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because we're gonna eat with the rice.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Yo, Mark always tell me that his mom is the best cooker.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I try.
But it's nice. Yo, nice. Oh, can't wait to eat it tonight. Nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. High five.
Bye.
Nice. So this is Potjie, guys. This is Potjie. So it's like a lot of veggie inside and meat and all the, what do you call it? The seasoning and the vegetable, another vegetable, herby. Okay. Yeah, Tanny called herby. So this is how Potjie looks. Oh, look nice actually. So how is the food today?
The food is good today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really good actually.
It's like a stew, a normal South African stew, yeah.
It's a Potjie, but
But what meat did you guys put in it? Beef?
no, everything.
Beef, pork,
Pork and chicken too.
and chicken, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Everything in the fridge.
Yeah,
And they
it's-
just put it in and million of vegetable.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Some vegetables you probably never seen before, John.
No, like
Huh?
the yellow one
Yeah.
and the radish. Yeah, the radish.
Radish? No, you know what is radish.
No, the purple one, the pink one.
So yeah, I just took my food and put it in a roti like this.
Look.
Like this. And then eat it like that. With the rice and everything.
Yeah, so the food it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, today thank you to Tenny also. Woo!
Did you have fun making it?
Yeah, I think she did.
Alright.
I just standing and then take the video.
Oh, she made it. Huh?
Yeah, she made it. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share and subscribe.
And don't forget to share love and happiness to the whole.
Word.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye, Hunter. Say bye.